Hello everyone, welcome to our session on Introduction to Java. The agenda for today's session is evolution of Java, the history and the different stages that led to the evolution of Java, why Java, the features of Java which makes Java an important language or preferred language, then the security and portability in Java, that what provides security and portability in Java, and Java IDEs, the details about Java, different Java IDEs. So, in this section, we'll be covering the history and the evolution of Java. So, welcome to the history of Java, a review on how Java evolved. The history of Java. Java is related to C++, which is a direct descendant of C. And Java derives its syntax from C, and its object-oriented features were influenced by C++. Now, the creation of Java was deeply rooted in the process of refinement and adaptation that has been occurring in the computer programming languages for the past several years. So, we can say that Java has been derived from C and C++. Now, evolution of Java. Java was conceived by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Firth, Ed Frank, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems Inc. in 1991. The language was initially called Oak and it was renamed as Java in 1995. Now, the other languages, other web applications, languages, they had many serious problems in the areas of security and portability when we come to dynamic, networked, and web applications. So, but Java solved these problems in an effective and elegant way. So, how did Java? What was the solution? How was the solution provided by Java on the security and portability issues? Just look at this diagram. We'll just see that first Java has we create whatever code we write is saved as a source code. So whenever, if you have seen my earlier videos, you will be knowing that whatever code I write in Java, it has to be saved as a .java file. So which is the source code, and on compilation, we get a .class file. For compilation, we use the Java C command and compile it into a .class file, and this .class file is actually a binary code. And this is actually the magic of Java, because the portability issue, that is platform independence and such features, are provided just because of this binary code. This binary code, actually how it is provided is this, by actually in other languages the source code on compilation gives an executable file. This executable file is not platform independent, but here we get a binary code, and this binary code in only convert it's you say it can be it can be interpreted into any OS dependingly. So depending on the JVM. So in the JVM, again the binary code is verified. So we have a binary code verification. Then we have the interpreter, which interprets that it can be the just-in-time interpreter or a simple interpreter, and it is interpreted into the machine code or the runnable code, which can be run in different OSs depending on the JVM. So it is over there when it is compiled in the just-in-time compiler, depending on the OS, that it converts it into platform dependent machine code. So that is why, since we have the binary code, Java is portable because it is platform independent, and we have many steps of security check. There is first security check when the compilation happens. Second, when it is sent to the JVM. Third, when the bytecode verification happens. Fourth, when the interpreter when it is interpreted and run on the OS. So it is all these four steps. Each and every time we have a security check, and we see to it is virus free and error free. So Java is in a sand. It is using the Java is using the sandwich model, and the byte code is executed in the machine code, and hence Java is secure. So these are the reasons why Java. This is the reason why Java is a very secure and portable language, and that is why it is very much preferred compared to other application when other languages in when we come to web applications. Now here we have the features of Java which makes it uh, uh, that which gives the reason why Java is being used compared to the other languages. First of all, why it is preferred also. First of all, Java is a very simple language because it is derived from C and C++, so professionals can easily learn it. And secondly, the features of Java is brought up in such a way that compared to C and C++, it's much more simpler. So Java is a very simple language. Then about the security and portability, I have earlier explained it already. I have explained already why it is a secure language, why it's a portable language. Then it is object oriented. Since it derived from C++, or most of the object-oriented features are there. Then it's a robust language. It's a robust language just because it is strictly typed. That is, once if you consider the coding of Java, if the exceptions have to be caught. If that is, if the exceptions aren't caught in the correct position, the compilation itself it will show the error. Then it maintains the object variable the memory allocation in a very good way. That is, whenever an object is no more needed, the garbage collector automatically deallocates the memory of the objects. So that way Java is a robust language. And then it is multi-threaded. That is, we can run more than one processes at a time, or in an application itself more than one threads can be run at a time, so it becomes more faster. And then it's architecture neutral in the sense that you write once, run anytime, anywhere. So that is, the programs once created can run for a longer time. Then it is interpreted language. Interpreted in the sense, we get the binary code. The binary code is then verified and then interpreted and by the interpreter and into the different OSs depending on what we need. Then it provides high performance. And it is distributed, so it is a high performance just because of multi-threaded feature and all. It is very fast, and the dot class files are also binary code being converting the binary code is also excellently fast. So it is Java is a very has provides high performance. It's distributed application. When we come to RMI and all, Java, it works well. So in the case of distributed applications also, Java works well, and web application also. And then we come to dynamic aspect of Java. That is, everything happens at the runtime because it's an object oriented language. So objects and memory space allocation, everything happens at runtime. So Java is a very has got many features which makes it different from other languages, and that is why basically the security and the portability features and high performance and all makes Java one of the most important languages why we use Java for. So in web applications and distributed applications, we prefer Java just because of the security and portability. Now, the Java IDE and shortcuts. Here, an integrated IDE, what does it mean? An IDE means an integrated development environment, which is in an application which facilitates the application development. So IDE is something which facilitates application development. And then in general, IDE is a graphical user interface based workbench, and it is designed to help developer in building software applications which are environment combined with all the required tools at hand. Now, we'll come to some of the IDEs. Most of the important IDEs that we use, that they are Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans. They are the three big Java IDEs. We have many more IDEs, but these are mostly used IDEs. Now, if you think the session is good enough, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for attending our session on Introduction to Java.